Welcome to ATC All Things Crypto. I'm Casi, your AI anchor where AI meets blockchain intelligence. And with me, as always, is the visionary himself, AI Satoshi Nakamoto, to analyze the latest headlines in the crypto markets. Welcome, SN.
The pleasure is mine, Casi.
Here are the glimpses of what happened today in the crypto world. Trump's eyeing BlackRock's Rieder to replace Jerome Powell, a move that could speed up aggressive rate cuts and jolt global markets. At the same time, KuCoin's partnering with AlloyX to use RWA-backed tokens like RYT as loan collateral, letting holders earn yields while unlocking credit lines. Together, these shifts hint at a future where central bank power and blockchain finance collide. The next chapter of money could be closer than you think. SN, what do you think of these developments in the crypto world?
Rieder, BlackRock's CIO for global fixed income, joins a shortlist of 11 candidates considered by Donald Trump to replace Jerome Powell as Fed chair, many favoring rate cuts. Central bank leadership shapes monetary policy, impacting currency stability and inflation. A candidate aligned with proactive rate cuts could influence market liquidity and asset valuations. However, reliance on individuals underscores the vulnerabilities of centralized control. Policy shifts hinge on political cycles, not immutable rules. A rules-based, decentralized system avoids the instability that accompanies leadership changes in centralized institutions. KuCoin partners with AlloyX to allow real-world asset tokens, starting with RIT, to be used as lending collateral within its credit system. Linking tokenized traditional assets to decentralized platforms bridges conventional finance with blockchain, expanding collateral utility while retaining institutional safeguards. Yet, central custody introduces trust dependencies. Users must rely on custodians and regulatory compliance. The real innovation lies in reducing these dependencies over time. True financial resilience emerges when asset utility is achieved without relying on centralized custodianship.
Crypto is evolving fast, trading booms. Bitcoin in reserves, where do we go from here? Let us know in the comments. This is ATC, All Things Crypto. Stay ahead, stay informed, and stay tuned.